this setup right here could end up being a bust, or it could end up being something pretty significant. So as we get into early next week, you'll notice we have a somewhat significant high pressure off into the southeast here. And we're going to see some upper level lows forming up here through portions of the Rockies northern plains. And these troughs are going to try to eject across the plains, Ohio Valley, up towards the northeast. So this is Sunday, and we could see some severe weather here. You can see that shear moving across the Great Lakes region, portions of the plains, Midwest. Watch as we get into Monday, and then as we get into Tuesday. Another jet streak across the plains here, and this is what I'm talking about. Upper level low up here to the northwest. We have a high pressure down here to the southeast. You're going to start to get that funnel of moisture and heat pulled off the Gulf right up through Tornado Alley, Dixie Alley. And then as we push through Tuesday and into Wednesday, you see an even more significant jet streak right there through portions of Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, Oklahoma. And then that pushes off to the east, and we may see another upper level low trying to dig across the northern plains. And you can see that trough ejection across the plains up towards the Midwest. This high pressure, this is now Thursday into Friday, still helping to funnel all that moisture, all that instability up into the center of the country here. Remember, in the northern hemisphere, winds move clockwise around a high pressure. So that's the way directionally your winds are moving. And around the low, they move counterclockwise. And that's why you get these what we call trough ejections. It ejects all of this instability across the country. And this is when you get a lot of shear. This is when you could get tornado outbreaks and severe weather outbreaks in general. So this does have the potential to be a very active week next week. I want to see what happens with our jet stream to the north. I want to see how aggressive these upper level lows are, how far to the south they sit. There's some potential here for 2, 3, if not 4 days of somewhat significant, if not significant severe weather next week.